Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing immediate triggers and creating a dry surface. First, wash your hands with lukewarm water and mild soap because oil and dirt trap moisture. Once dry, apply a clinical-strength antiperspirant to the palms or use an antiperspirant wipe. Allow it to set for 5–10 minutes to form a temporary barrier. Also, reduce stimulants. Skip caffeine and hot drinks for an hour or two before performance. These steps lower sweat production quickly and set you up for the next action. Now you add focus techniques to control moisture during activity. Use absorbent grips like chalk or magnesium for short tasks, or silicone grip pads for sustained hold. These reduce slip instantly. If overheating is a factor, hold a small battery fan or a damp cooling towel to your palms to drop skin temperature by a couple degrees and slow sweating. For persistent problems, explore iontophoresis devices or ask your clinician about prescription topical antiperspirants. To conclude, focus on durable solutions and behavioral maintenance. You can schedule medical options. Botox injections typically reduce sweating for months, and periodic iontophoresis maintains results. Discuss side effects with a provider. Meanwhile, build stress reduction habits like diaphragmatic breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and consistent sleep to lower sympathetic activation. Make sure to monitor patterns and avoid known triggers. If sweating worsens or spreads, track timing and triggers. Then consult a clinician for targeted testing and a tailored treatment plan so you can adjust quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.